We are in a 2019 Traverse. I drive one of these vehicles, but an older version. And one of the things that I really like about this vehicle is it's 3 rows of seats. But this
got a lot of room.
Yeah, so this one has bucket seats in the middle, and then it also has a full 3rd row in the back. The thing that I also really liked about this trunk, it's not like a complete full trunk, but there's a lot of room back there. You could fit golf clubs, hockey bag, whatever, and still be utilizing the 3 rows of seats.
I immediately really liked the stitching that's added into the seats and into the console. While being a family vehicle, gives it a sporty feel too.
Yeah.
So it's still very cool. It's not your typical soccer mom minivan.
That's right.
It's got the cool factor, but still all the space that you need.
Yeah. So if you want an SUV, I think this is a great option.
Yeah, this is that good next step up from the mid-sizes.
Yeah, exactly.